morning, students. Good morning, students. Yes, I am audible and visible to everyone. I am audible and visible to everyone. Yes, students, I am audible and visible to everyone. 3 Oak, what is this? Say loudly, only Sanklangin is answering. Everyone say loudly that yes ma'am, you are visible. You are in the class. Yes, Noreen, good morning. Let's start our today's class. Everyone open Math Magic. Everyone open your Math Magic book. See, in Math Magic book we have done up to page number 40, isn't it? Up to page number 40 we have completed. It was the what problem? What problem A? Up to that we have completed. That compartments, how many people are there in the compartments? Up to that we have completed, isn't it? So, next we will start from page number 41. So, everyone come to page number 41. Everyone come to page number 41. See, question number B. Question number B is Shanu found 138 pebbles. Kareem found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? Now see, Shanu, he has 138 pebbles. Pebbles means stones, okay. And Kareem, he has 44 pebbles. Now you have to find that what is the total number of pebbles they have, or what is the total number of stones they have, okay. So for this question you will write the statement, clear, because it is the statement problem, it is the word problem, that's why you have to write the statement. And listen, in the time of exam you can write your own statement, don't write, or it is not mandatory to write whatever I am writing, okay. You can frame your own statement and then you can write, clear. So take out the copy, in the copy write today's date and start writing from the same page. That means whatever you have done up to page number 40, after that in the same page you start doing page number 41, clear. So just write page 41 and start writing. Page 41. Okay. This is page 41 and question number B. Shanu found 138 pebbles. So you will write NO dot. That day I have told you NO dot means number of, okay. So number of pebbles Shanu have. First Shanu. Number of pebbles Shanu have, it is 138. Then number of pebbles Kareem have, it is 44. Now you have to add, therefore total number of pebbles add and tell me what is the total number you are getting. Write in the chat box. Yes, it is 182. Very good. Very good. You all are answering correct. 8 plus 4, 12, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1. So, 182. So, answer you will write, they found 182 pebbles in all. Pebbles in all. They found 182 pebbles in all. Okay. Quickly write it, then we will do the next one. Now come to question number C. A teacher kept a note of which fruits student like in her school. This is what she found. Now see, one of the teachers, she has noted down the fruits liked by the students. Okay, means how many girls they like which fruit, then the boys they like what type of fruit, that is being written by the teacher. Now see the girls. So girls, 136 girls, they like oranges and 240 mangoes. That means the girls who like oranges are 136 and the girls who liked mangoes are 240. Similarly for boys, those boys who like oranges, it is 128 and the boys who like mangoes, it is 243. Okay. So, now you have to find out the first question, how many students in the school like oranges? You have to find out that how many students they like oranges. Now, when students is told, that means in students number of girls plus number of boys will be there. Okay. So, first you will write that number of girls who like oranges, then number of boys who like oranges. Therefore, total students who like oranges, that you will add. Okay. So, all have completed the board work. I am rubbing the board. All have completed. Yes, I am rubbing it. This is question number C. Everyone write question number C. Number of girls who like oranges, is equals to 136. Now, number of boys who like oranges, it is given in the table, 128. Therefore, total students, who like oranges is equals to, now add and tell me. Daksha has added, it is 264. Others, what answer you are getting? Others, add me and tell what answer you are getting. Yes, Sorish is also right. 14, carry 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 2. That means 264. So, in the answer you will write 264 students 264 students in the school like oranges. 264 students in the school like oranges. Okay. Now this is question number CA. Just write CA. Then you will solve CB. Then you will solve CB. Then you will solve CB. Everyone has completed writing? Completed writing? Now the number B. How many students in the school like mangoes? Now you have to find that how many students they like mangoes. So as you have found for oranges, the same way you will find for mangoes. Okay. So start writing for number B. Start writing for number B. Now can I rub the board? Everyone has completed? Unmute yourself and tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me. Everyone has completed? Can I rub the board? Can I rub the board? Only one is saying yes. Rest of them? All have completed? Okay. Now question number CB. This is number B. Question number C, this one is number B. How many students in the school like mangoes? So, number of girls who like mangoes. It is given 240. Number of boys who like mangoes is equals to 243. Therefore, total students is equals to, now add and tell me total students, add and tell me the total students. It will be, yes, very good. Ishan, you are wrong. Ishan, you are wrong. You have to add properly. 3, 8, 2 plus 2, 4. 483. Answer will be 483. So, 483 students in the school like mangoes. Four 483 students in the school like mangoes. আমার জন্য কাঁদতে পারতেন, আমার জন্য কাঁদতে পারতেন, আমার জন্য তো চা আনতে পারতেন। Okay, completed? Completed writing, students? Yes, now come to question number C. I am reading question number C. Altogether, how many students are there in the school? You have to find altogether how many students are there, how many boys and how many girls are there. So, what you will add? You will add total number of boys plus total number of girls. Just now we have found total number of boys and total number of girls. So, write it. Yes, the answer is right. This is question number C. C. Question number C. C. Total number of girls is equals to 136 plus 240. You will get 376. Now, total number of boys. Total number of boys is equals to 128 plus 243. $371. Therefore, total number of students is equals to 376 plus 371. It is coming 747. 747. You all are right. You have said the right answer, 747. So, answer you will write, there are 747 students in the school. Answer will be, there are 747 students in the school. In the school. There are 747 students in the school. Okay, written all of you. Now we will switch over to the next question, question number D. Those who have not written, write it fast. Those who have not written, write it fast. Yes, I am reading question number D. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? Number of girls, is it more than 350 or less than 350? What you will write? What will be the answer? Is number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? Okay, for this you have to find the total number of girls who like the oranges and the total number of girls who like the mangoes. You will add and then you will see that whether it is more than 350 or less than 350. Yes, Sanklan, you are right, it is more than 350, but you have to solve and show it how it is more than 350. You have to solve the sum and you have to show the sum how it is more than 350. Clear? So, again let us start writing. Abhimanyu, you are wrong. It is more than 350, not less. It is more than 350. Okay, start writing. This is question number C, D. Question number C, option number D. Number of girls who like oranges is equals to 136. Now, number of girls who like mangoes is equals to 240. Therefore, total girls, total number of girls is equals to, you are getting how much? 6, 7 and 3, 376, which is more than 350. So, you will write the number of girls in the school is more than 350. The number of girls in the school is more than 350. Is more than 350. Completed? Completed, students? Now come to page number 42. Page number 42. Those who have completed, come to page number 42. See, page number 42, practice time. Just you have to arrange in columns and add. It is very easy, okay. Question number A, B. B, it is already arranged in column, just you will add, and question number A, you have to arrange in columns and then you have to add it, okay. Can I rub the board? Can I rub the board? Okay, this is page number 42. See, page number 42, question number A. First one, you have to arrange in columns. It is given 345 plus 52. Add and tell me the answer. Then second one is given 492 plus 29. Quickly add and tell me all the answers. Number 3, 245 plus 93. Number 4, 643 plus 345. And number 5. Number 5 is 750 plus 219. 750 plus 219. Yes, the first answer is 642. Which one you are writing? Oh, Sanklan, 397. Yes, the first answer is 397. Second answer, $521. 521, very good. Then the third answer, $338. Very good, Sanklan. Now the fourth answer, $988. And the fifth one, yes, it is right. Sanklan, you are right. Okay, listen, today up to this only you practice up to question number A. In the next class, we will start from question number B. Wait. You all have completed? Quickly write all the answers. Those who have not completed, write all the answers. It is simple addition that you have read in previous class, okay. So today up to this only, we will do question number B on Monday. So bye all of you.